Hey guys, Roger, see you scrapping. I've had a request to tear down a stove. Um, Picked up two electrics this morning. Um, so I figured I'd go ahead and I think I've got all my settings figured out. I had a button pushed on the camera that shrank the image on my last few videos, and uh, but I think I've got that all figured out. And let's tear into a stove. First of all, I can definitely show you why this one failed. Little electrical short in the circuit panel there. Um, but there's not much to these stoves. Bunch of wiring, maybe a little brass. That's about it. Um, First thing I do is open up the access panel for the cord. Strainer leaf down here. Just a couple screws. And this cord is in really decent shape. There's no charring on the ends. These ends look almost brand new. So I'm going to hold on to this one. I hang on to the better ones, usually resell them $5 out the door. A new cord's going to cost you 20. So $5 is a lot better than I'll get scrap value out of it. All right, then it's just a matter of removing the back panel. And that is basically it on an electric stove. Just start clipping wires. Ever since this weather warmed up, my phone has been ringing nonstop. I haven't had much of time to break down anything, and the shop is a mess. But we're hitting the busy season now, with everybody doing their spring cleaning. The towns have their spring cleanup days coming up. Start clipping all this mess. this stuff done, get into the yard. Got another pickup yet to do at a commercial roofer. Earlier I picked up a little over 600 pounds of aluminum from them. The only thing I've got left is the shred steel. So I'm hoping to get two loads of shred into the yard today before the rain hits. Tomorrow I need to make a copper red Bloomington. Clip all these ends off to get a better price for the Bloomington yard. And there it is. Other than underneath the burner, that's the main wiring harness for an electric stove. I come down here and I get, this is where the plug end plugs in, and I usually take that off. And start to pick up already. And then of course your connectors here are brass, and then you've got this little copper ground strip here, and the rest of that, the screws, the nuts behind them, those will be tin, and then it's plastic. Oh. And then there's the circuit board, which in this case is thoroughly fried. I'm not even sure why I mess with these. Our local yard for low-grade boards pays 3 cents a pound. Oh boy. Should leave it in with the shred. But of course I want to pull the transformers, a couple of aluminum heat sinks there with the MOSFETs. There's a little brass disc in there. A burned up crystal oscillator there. See if I can get the soot off of that. Yeah, a little crystal oscillator there. Then the rest of it I'll just throw in my low-grade boards. And I'm not sure on this one. It is not. Now sometimes these top shrouds are aluminum. This one is not, so I'm not even going to bother to pull it. And like I said, there's wires. There's a little bit of wire that goes up underneath the burners here. I'm just going to clip them here at the back and let the rest of it go. There's not a whole lot under there, but there is some. And when I've got time, I'll snip those too. I'm so far behind the 8 ball right now that I got to get this stuff done, get it into the yard. That's all there is to an electric stove. They're very basic. Like I said, if I get too far behind, I'll turn them and burn them. I won't even turn them down. But when I've got time, um, another pound of insulated wire, a little bit of copper, transformer, circuit board. So there it is. Now that I've got my camera settings figured out and all that, hopefully I can do a few more videos. Still eyeing a GoPro. Got a little bit of funds left after putting all new tires on the truck. So the baby's got all new shoes, which was greatly needed. Also very expensive. So yeah, start doing a few more videos here. Start showing some of the pickups hopefully, and we'll catch you in the next one.